Hi everybody. It has been a hot minute. We moved into our house. I don't even know where the last part of the video left off. I don't even know if I'm gonna include this in the video or if I'm just gonna start a whole new one because it's been like 3 weeks or more. I don't even know. We moved into our new house. We were moving everything in. And then a week later we went on vacation to Hawaii. And then we were in Hawaii for 18 days. And then we just got back 2 days ago. And I had to unpack all of our luggage, 5 luggages, plus a carry-on, plus the kids' backpacks. And then continue to like unpack the house and like put stuff away and all that good stuff. So it's been a hot mess over here. I think it was yesterday, the day after we got home from vacation, Knox, I'm gonna try to sit here so that it doesn't fall so I don't have to hold it. The day after we got home from vacation, Knox got a fever and like a runny nose, and I was kind of thinking it was just teething because he's got 5 teeth coming in on top like all at the same time. 2 of them broke through while we were on vacation. But he's still got other ones that are trying to push through. And so I was thinking maybe it was because he was teething, because I remember the whole teething process with Maverick and it was not fun at all. But then his fever was like pretty high. It was like 103 at one point yesterday. And so I don't think it's teething. I think he has like a cold now and he's been super fussy, runny nose, scratchy throat, not sleeping well at all. Poor guy. Today, my plan is I got a couple things in the mail this morning from Amazon that I need to install, like a hand towel holder thingy in the bathrooms up here. For whatever reason, there was only one downstairs in the downstairs bathroom and none in the upstairs bathroom. So the towels are just laying on the counter, which drives me insane when trying to like organize stuff and put stuff away and make it look clean when there's just towels draped all over the counter. So I got a couple of those I'm gonna put up and hopefully like them. So this is the room I was just in. It's just an empty room right now with some random stuff in it, basically. Maverick's room is all done. It's a little messy because he loves playing in it. I think he missed all of his toys, but I'm not sure if I showed this before in the last one. It's all set up. Everything's in here, dresser, books, toys, obviously. We finished everything in the closet. So I was able to he's got his blankets up there, some like learning toys that he'll grow into, some shoes that don't fit right now. They'll fit in a little while. And then he's got his clothes. I did get a new shoe holder that we were able to put one together for Addie's room before we left, but we haven't gotten Maverick's put together yet. It's still over there in the box, as you can see, that box right there. It seems to work really well for Addie's room, so I'm hopeful that it'll work in Maverick's room. Need to hang this somewhere so that it's not hanging over her little bow thing. We don't have really anything on her wall yet, so all the stuff on her dresser is basically all the stuff that's gonna get like hung up on her wall that was in her old room. We need to hang her canopy and stuff up, her name sign, but everything else, she's got Maverick's bookshelf in here, and I put her lockers in Maverick's room. It just worked better that way. She's got all of her craft stuff, toys, and then her closet is all put together. This is that shoe thing that we got for Maverick also. It holds a lot. It's more sturdy. I think it'll be better because she doesn't have any room for shoes, obviously, in her closet. And she's got some like shoes that she's gonna grow into up there. Her soccer bag that she's gonna start using because soccer starts soon. A couple craft items that don't fit really anywhere else. She's got a couple backpacks that she keeps, like travel backpacks. And then let's go downstairs. Knox is asleep in our room, so I'm not going to do that one right now. Everything down here is still a work in progress. The guest bath, or the main floor bath, I guess. So I got this bench from Target and I'm obsessed with the bench, but I just don't think it works in this location. I think I'm gonna have to get something else. It's like a, I don't know, it's in there somewhere. I'm gonna have to get something else as like a front entryway table, because this works for like putting stuff on and putting our shoes on, but I think it's just too large for the space. So, which is unfortunate, and I don't think I can really use this anywhere else. So I think I might just have to return it. Jamin got his office and stuff set up. Still have to hang curtains and stuff here. And then all of this is like, those are curtain rods. All these are the pictures that we had hanging, and like wall art and stuff we had hanging at the old house. So we need to obviously still hang that stuff up. I did get a little key holder thing that I installed before we left. This room is a hot mess right now. Eventually it'll be a little like kids playroom. I'm gonna bring all these coats and stuff upstairs, and then the kids will be able to play in here. Are you vacuuming? Show me. You're such a good helper. And then I've got a little basket here that's for like dirty towels, hand towels and stuff from the kitchen, like whenever we're done with them. At the old house we had a laundry room on the main floor, so anytime we had a dirty towel from the kitchen, we would just chuck it into the laundry room. Our laundry room is upstairs here, so we can't do that. So I got this little basket thingy that we're just throwing them in for now. Eventually I think I want to get one of those ones that go on the stairs, like those baskets that go on the stairs, you know, but we'll see. Everything else is basically a hot mess. The living room is put together as much as it can be. That mirror isn't gonna go there. It's gonna go hopefully above, like in the entryway like we had at the old house. And we've got just everything on the table still from moving. Like all the stuff that Jamin is still trying to put up or install and stuff, tools and stuff. Like these are our vacuum charger holder thingies. It's just a hot mess. These are all of our like thermostat that he installed yesterday. Our Ring doorbell camera stuff. This one is our like Ring alarm system thing. So just stuff that needs to get put away. He installed the soundbar thing yesterday. We just have to, I ordered one of those little cord hider things that are like white that you stick onto the wall. Play-Doh. We're not doing Play-Doh right now, babe.
I want to
Put the dishes away, please.
I want to Play-Doh.
But these are the lights that Jamin installed. Alexa, turn on the back patio lights. And they look really good. And that pergola gazebo thingy looks really good also. But this is the bark dust that we absolutely hate. Because it's everywhere. You want to do Play-Doh by yourself? Addie's doing the dishes right now.
I want to do Play-Doh.
Stuff that still needs to be put away, like that bag needs to be gone through. I need to find a place to hang, like to put all of our chargers and stuff to charge. Everything at the old house, it was on a countertop that we weren't using. But now we don't really have just a spare countertop that we're not using, so.
I don't want these.
You don't want eggs?
I don't want these.
You don't want eggs?
I don't want these.
What do you want?
I want Pop-Tarts.
You want Pop-Tart?
Yeah. Mom.
No.
I need on the store. There has to be at least a store. Where Pop-Tarts go? Where Pop-Tarts go? This one, who this one is?
Let me see.
Is this
That one? No, that one's one of Daddy's. You won't like that one. Here.
This one's pink.
Maybe.
Pink. It's pink, Mom.
Nope, this one's brown sugar.
This one's brown sugar.
We've got pretty much everything in here situated. I ordered some baskets to house like our stuff that we had on the other side of the island. So like our little waffle maker things. The dash ones. This one's, I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. Our little waffle maker things in here. This is everything from Jamin's like drawer for pizza stuff and barbecue stuff. Those are more pizza things, some extra snacks. These are the kids like snack cups, snack bags, bibs, juice cups. Then we've got the dogs treats and dogs food. I don't want this stuff here, but I don't really know where else to put it right now, so I'll have to figure that out. But not the most organized. I feel like the last house, it was way more organized, but we had way more room. So it's gonna like trial and error, basically. I did get these, which I like to house all of this stuff, which is really easy. Makes it easy to grab stuff, but everything else is kind of just a hot mess. Such is life when you move into a new house.
I want to do it by myself.
It's down, so press the button to pop it up if you're ready for it.
It's now, it's speed up.
Yeah, it's warm. Gotta let it cool down now.
I want cold.
You just wanted it in the toaster, dude.
I want it cold.
Okay, it'll cool down. Let's put it on the table and it'll cool down. You gotta give it a minute to cool down.
That's Daddy's favorite in it.
This is Daddy's favorite one, huh?
This is Daddy's favorite in it.
Yeah, that's Daddy's favorite one.
These my favorite and Dad's favorite.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old but kinda new way? Old but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove?
So I want to, the front closet that we have that has some, that I showed you guys, that has some coats and stuff in it, we're not actually going to use as a front closet. I think because it's so large, like it'd be a waste of a closet. I think we're going to try and use it as a kids play space, see how well they use it. If they don't ever use it, then we'll probably convert it back into a closet. Maybe we'll just use it for coat storage, blanket storage, I don't know, vacuum storage, I don't know. Until then, Jamin has this closet in his office that he's really not using as a closet, like a hanging closet. So I'm gonna try moving his filing cabinet over to hang some of the coats that we're gonna use like every day in here. That way we don't have to put them in the kids closet, because if they're hanging in the kids closet, you can't like see anything in the closet. The kids can't run back and forth. And we really only have just a couple of coats until I can maybe figure out some kind of front entryway system for coats. I don't even know if I want an entryway system for coats. I think it just looks cluttered and stuff, and then there's like 50 coats that end up in the front entryway, like if I do the little pegs on the wall. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to try moving his filing cabinet over so that he can still access it, and then hang just a couple of the coats that we'll use like every day in here for now.
Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby. Won't you love me? All the kind of...
So now that that's all done, I'm going to vacuum and pick up and kind of clean and tidy the main floor right here. The kitchen, the hallway, the little dining room area we have, the living room.
Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
We are done with the kitchen. It's as clean as it's gonna get for now. Already looks way better though. And then the living room's all vacuumed. Everything's put away. Are you vacuuming?
Yeah.
Good job. Show me. This is like gonna have to be like an everyday thing. Can't really do all of that right now. But I already feel better, but everything else is much cleaner. I need to put the luggage in the garage. Those go on a shelf, but I have to clear off a shelf because there's a bunch of boxes and stuff that still need to be put away that are on the shelf. The mirror over there we're eventually going to hang up above that bench and then possibly get something else to go in place of the bench. So now we are going to tackle this front closet area. I'm going to get everything out that doesn't need to be in here, including the coats, and take them upstairs since we aren't even wearing them right now. It's not cold enough outside to wear these big, thick, heavy coats that we had in our front closet at our old house. And then I'm going to clean and organize this little space and kind of just test out how much they use it, if it's something we want to continue to use as a kid's space, or if we want to convert it back into a closet. I'm not really sure.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax.
I got this little like carrier thing for them. It's got Play-Doh. I don't want to say it loud because I don't want to come in here and be like, let's do Play-Doh. I absolutely hate Play-Doh, but they get it all the time for Christmas, birthdays, Easter, literally all the time. So I want to have just like a little bit easily accessible. Put some chalk in here too. And then I got this like set of cookie cutters and stuff, like Play-Doh cutters. molds, etc. This little thing. And then I've got some silicone mats to put down on the table when they're gonna do it. And here's some more like little Play-Doh thingies. That way it can all stay in here. And when we want to play it, we just bring it out.
All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard.
Oh yeah? Are you sure? I think this will be good. And then we have the little tray. We have their little tray thingy here. Their little rolly cart that comes out. He's got all of his blocks and magnet blocks, his magnet tiles, and then these little stick-on things on the bottom that stick to windows and stuff to build with.
About the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes.
This whole thing needs to go upstairs. It's just random toys.
We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright. All night. We're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes.
So now we are upstairs. We've got a ton of laundry that we need to get through from unpacking and from being gone for 3 weeks on our vacation. So we are going to tackle that now. I look like a hot mess, you guys. I look like I've been cleaning and putting stuff away and organizing for the last few hours, which I have. So I guess that was why I look like that. But right now I'm gonna fold a load of laundry that I started, what's today, Monday? I started Saturday. I'm just taking it out of the dryer. It's been in the dryer since like Saturday night. So, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. But I'm curious, like now that we have a laundry room upstairs, I don't know the best way to go about doing laundry. Like normally I would take it out of the dryer, dump it on the couch, fold it as I'm watching TV or downstairs with the kids or something like that. Now that we have an upstairs laundry room, I can't really do that. Like, am I really gonna take it out of the dryer, take it all the way downstairs, fold it, put it back in the basket, bring it upstairs to the bedrooms? Like, that seems like way more work. So do I just fold it on the landing here and then take it to the rooms? Do I go in my room and put it on my bed and fold it on my bed while the kids are downstairs? Like, I feel like laundry's just not going to get done anymore because it's really hard to fold the laundry up here while the kids are downstairs. So, I mean, I don't know. What do you guys do? Like, if you guys have similar setups like this, or if somebody has a similar setup like this with like all the bedrooms and the laundry on the second floor and then the main living spaces on the first floor, like, do you do what I'm doing? Do you come on the landing, sit on the landing up here if you have a landing similar to this and fold laundry? Do you take it into your bedroom and fold laundry and then put it away that way? Like, do you have like a couch or something on your landing? I mean, I don't even know what to do with this landing area. I was thinking of putting a desk for my stuff, for like my computer and my Cricut and my printer and stuff like that. But other than that, I mean, it's kind of wasted space. Like, they had it originally set up with like a console table on this wall where the mirror is. And like, it looked pretty, kind of like an entryway console table, but I don't really know what to do with it. But like, leave me a comment below. What do you guys do? Do you fold it on the landing up here? Do you take it into your bedroom and fold it on your bed? Do you take it all the way downstairs and fold it downstairs with where your kids are? Like, what's the easiest way and most efficient way probably to do it.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me.
Trying to keep him occupied, but I got these for Addie's dresser. She currently has these metal like dinosaur ones that she's had since she was like, I don't know, 3 years old maybe. So I got her these to replace them, and I'll put the dinosaur ones on Maverick's dresser. Aren't they cute? I'm just giving him to him to play with right now.
Breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
So now we are in Addie's room, and we are going to remove her old drawer knobs, the little dinosaur ones I was just telling you guys about, and put the new little boho heart ones on that I got her.
Breathless.
Not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah.
Those look cute. Eventually, we need to get a dresser for Knox. Right now, he's just using this side of this one, which is fine for now. I mean, he doesn't have that many clothes. And then we hang everything else up in his room. Eventually, he'll need to get a dresser, so I'll probably keep these green ones for him.
no stop signs. Counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy. Cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty need a different.
Those are cute on this one. And he obviously loves dinosaurs. I mean, he has a dinosaur bedding. He's got a dinosaur Hot Wheels track. Little dino light thingy right there. Very cute.
You're changing me day by day, got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can be erased.
I'm scared about this. Like holes you can fill. Ripping off entire strips of paint, that's a little more difficult. Ow! That was my toe.
Can't be erased. You'll find a different side.
Let's see if that's straight. Definitely not straight.
Me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
No going back.
Me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. I complicate things, one of my many skills. I'm making things up, all in my mind, 'cause I analyze their body language. I hear every change in their tone. Maybe they hate me, somehow I blame me. My mama said, that's just the weight of the world. It's not personal, it's just how it works. Don't be angry for too long or get burned, 'cause that's just the weight of the world.
Not sure if I've shown you guys the completed, pretty much completed closet. Jamin's got his shoes down here. And then all of his stuff. His hats. And then mine over here. Battery's gonna die, so I gotta hurry. And then my shoes. Makes it tight, but it's fine. And then my mirror that I'm obsessed with. Hi, baby. Are you over it? All right, well that is everything I've got for you guys today. There's still so much work that needs to be done in this house that I'm sure I'll pick up the camera and do more stuff tomorrow or the next day. because there's just so much to clean and put away, and I've got boxes that I still need to go through. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't already, as it really does help out my channel and build it and grow it and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Shake it off now, that's just the way of the world.